welcome back to 2-Minute Grammar. Today's video is about the simple present tense. To begin with, what is simple present tense? It is the most common tense used to talk about daily life activities. Therefore, it is important to know when and how to use it. So, when do we use simple present tense? First, for activities that happen regularly in the present. For example, the airplane to Paris leaves every 2 hours. Second, we use it when talking about facts. Ice melts at high temperature. Third, we use simple present when talking about habits. Jamal goes to the gym every weekend. Conjugating verbs in the present tense follows a regular pattern. For most verbs, you simply use the infinitive form, as in I drive or you drive. The only time it changes is for the third person singular, which is he, she, and it. In this case, you add an S at the end and it then becomes he drives. If you're using the verb to have to show possession, it also changes to S in third person singular. You have a book, he has a book. However, for verbs that end in SS, SH, CH, TH, X, Z, or O, you add an ES at the end. For example, I go, she goes. We fix, he fixes. Finally, there is also an exception for verbs that end in the letter Y. In these cases, you substitute it with IES. I study, she studies. And that was 2-Minute Grammar for the simple present tense. See you on the next one.
Visit the website neatgrammar.com or click on the link in the description section. Don't forget to subscribe or like this video, and feel free to ask any question in the comment section and we will answer. Thank you.